Welcome to Rice Hope, a vibrant master plan community in Port Wentworth with easy access to I-95. Here you'll find brand new D.R. Horton homes designed for real life, with 1- and 2-story floor plans offering modern layouts, open concept living, and smart home technology, all at an incredible value. Families love everyday convenience of Rice Hope, including the ability for kids to walk to school right within the community, making mornings easier and the neighborhood feel even more connected. But Rice Hope is about more than just the home. It's about the lifestyle. Residents enjoy resort-style amenities, including a lazy river, water slides, splash pad, zero-entry pool, fitness center, scenic walking trails, and a beautiful lake. And with the newly added pickleball courts and outdoor fitness areas, there's always something to do right outside your front door. Rice Hope's prime location puts you close to major employers like Gulfstream, Hyundai, and the Georgia Ports Authority. Plus shopping, dining, Pooler Parkway, and Savannah Hilton Head International Airport. Even more exciting, just minutes away, Port Wentworth is building Anchor Park, a massive new sports and entertainment complex featuring the Savannah Ghost Pirates Ice Cove training facility, a 5,000-seat amphitheater, multi-use sports field, dining and community spaces, adding even more energy and growth to the area. Whether you're buying your first home, relocating for work, or looking for more space, walkable conveniences, and resort-style amenities, Rice Hope offers the perfect balance of comfort, convenience, and community. Come see why so many families are choosing to call Rice Hope home.